Friends, my name is Lakshman Muralidhar Villar. So today's topic is custom pipes in Angular. Firstly, Angular has many pipes built in, but they only take us so far and be fairly limiting when expanding out more complex logic in our application. This is where the concept of creating a custom pipe in Angular comes into play, allowing us to nicely extend our applications. So what are pipes in Angular? Before we get started, Angular and the concept of pipes, let's demonstrate what a pipe is before we move on to showing a custom pipe. Angular has a few built-in pipes that ships with the framework's common module, allowing us to make use of them in any module we were writing. Here are a few usual suspects we could encounter with Angular built-in pipes, in which first is date pipe for parsing date objects, then second is uppercase pipe for uppercasing strings, then lowercase pipe for lowercasing strings, then currency pipe for formatting currencies. Then next one is async pipe for unwrapping asynchronous values such as observables. You can think of pipes in Angular just like you would a function. A function can take parameters and return us something new, and that's slowly what pipes do. We could pass in a valid date and be given back a string value that's nicely formatted for the UI, and here the word UI is key as pipes are typically for transforming data between our model and view. The UI, that is user interface, directives simply right, wrong. On the outside they look simple, but even skilled Angular devs haven't grasped every concept in this. Observable and asynchronous pipe, identity checking and performance, web components, that is ng template and ng container and observable compositions, then advanced rendering patterns, setters and getters for styles and class bindings. So how do we use a pipe? Let's assume some simple component HTML with a binding of a data stamp. This will render out as above with the formatted date. So that's a valid use case for pipes. We don't really want to fetch data and then loop through it all and convert each date from a date object to a string, as we lose native date object functionality and be duplicating values. It's super convenient to use a pipe and let it parse out for us. Now you are ready to start venturing into custom pipes. This will allow us to use a function to create our own input and output based on what you are supplying. Let's dive in. So that's all about the custom pipes. Thank you.